1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11. 13. Okay, this time if we get a joker on our Charleston, we have to toss it in.
Okay. Okay, so you can clearly hear that my dear Amiga says to me, if we pick up a joker on the Charleston, we have to put it back and get another tile. And I just said, yeah, okay, sounds good. And it went in one ear and out the other. And not until I'm watching the replay did I realize I picked up a joker on that Charleston and I just put it right in my hand and kept along playing. So I cheated. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that. So I'm really sorry, Amiga, when you watch this video. You won fair and square, and this goes to prove that cheaters never prosper. Anyways, we had a good time playing, and she did win this one, so that was a good thing. I don't feel so bad. But I hope you like watching this Learn As You Go Mahjong. And if you do, join us, watch our videos, and learn along with us. We love to play this game so much, and it's all in fun. And I really didn't mean to cheat. I just didn't pay attention, because in the first game we kept the jokers, the second game we didn't. So you'll see in the third game I got a joker and I put it back. So thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.
Okay.
5 crack.
Are we doing our Charleston?
Oh, I'm over here playing Messy Mahjong. Forgot about the Charleston.
Well, are we doing
I thought
Charleston?
the was like go.
Now it's clear to go.
I was like, oh, okay, sorry. Taking too long.
I want to turn off the fan. Oh, I'll turn off fanning after this.
Oops. Okay.
Okay, so get rid of 3. Jeez, this one was hard.
Oh, shoot. Oh. Wait. That's the... That belongs to that. I'm like, wait a minute. I'm getting confused. I'm like... Okay. I think I got it. Okay, I already 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah.
Okay. So, oh, I can't do that one. Hmm. Oh, yeah, good. Okay, so then I want to get rid of these. So, you already did yours?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, wrong one. Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Sorry. I already just flipped them over.
That's okay.
Let me get rid of that one. Yeah. Oops. Oh, you got
Ready?
yours.
Mhm.
Sorry.
Oh, wait a minute.
Okay. You already got yours? Ready?
Mm-hmm. I'll do the courtesy.
Oh, wait. Do I want to do a courtesy? No, I don't want to do a courtesy.
Okay, I'll do mine.
Okay. So then I keep these. Okay.
So
1 crack.
2 dot.
2 dot.
2 crack.
2 dot.
'Red.
So
4 crack.
3 down.
Call. 2 bam.
Soap.
9 crack.
Soap.
North.
8 bam.
6 crack.
South.
4 bam.
I'll take it. Eight dot.
3 crack.
West.
6 crack.
1 dot.
North.
6 dot.
5 dot.
5 dot.
7 dot.
5 bam.
Call. Seven dot.
8 bam.
4 dot.
Call. Um, 5 crack.
West.
South.
East.
North.
7 bam.
7 dot.
5 dot.
6 dot.
3 dot.
5 crack.
8 bam.
2 bam.
7 bam.
Flower.
6 bam.
5 dot.
7 crack.
Flower.
4 crack.
9 crack.
7 bam.
7 crack.
6 bam.
6 crack.
5 crack.
9 bam.
9 dot.
6 bam.
3 dot.
7 crack.
8 dot.
9 bam.
8 crack.
East.
9 crack.
8 dot.
Oops. 8 crack.
1 crack.
6 crack.
7 crack.
5 crack.
Bird bam.
Call. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. I can't call it. 9 dot.
2 bam.
1 dot.
West.
3 dot.
8 bam. 1 dot.
1 crack.
6 dot.
2 crack.
East.
Flower.
3 crack.
7 bam.
Mahjong. Oh. Well, it's Mahjong. It's Mahjong. Do I? Only
have
when I call it, right?
No,
Oh, I have to put it like
you have to
this?
wreck it. Oh, no, no.
No,
Only when you call it. I
Yeah.
think, yeah.
I think
We'll have
it's
to
only when
find
you
that
call
out.
it.
Yeah.
Okay. So Mahjong. Okay, so I was doing
This is the only one I needed. But I couldn't call it. But
You
anyways.
needed a pair?
No, I got the Joker after that. So
Oh,
now
okay.
I could call it, but
Uh-huh.
I didn't have enough when it came out.
Okay, so I was doing the second one from the bottom on the 2, 4, 6, 8.
2, 4, 6, 8. Second one from the bottom. Okay.
Uh-huh. So I got the 2 flowers. Oh, wait. Yeah, second one. 2 flowers. I'm like, wait, it moved. And then it says any 3 suits, like Kong's, any even number.
Okay.
So here's the Kong with 4 dots. Then I got the
dragons.
4 red dragons. And then the 4 bams.
Nice. I was doing the 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 again. Third one from the bottom. So I had 3 bird bams. I needed the 1 more.
Mm-hmm.
And then I had the 3s, the 5, the Kong of 5s, and the bam dragons.
So you were doing which one?
The third one down.
Oh, third one. I was like,
Uh-huh.
that's your third one.
So I was missing the 1 bam.
1 bam.
And I had a Pung of 3 bams, a Kong of 5 bams, and the Pung of
dragons.
dragons.
Cool.
Just needed that 1.